Welcome to another Celtic Farm video. In this video short, we'll show how to gather seeds from one of our favorites, snapdragons. Healthy snaps will produce prolific seed pods along the flowering stems, and they're ready to pick when they turn brown, as that indicates the seeds are ready to go, as you see in this video clip. Be careful to keep the little openings skyward as you pick them, or they'll dump the seeds the first chance gravity has to help them. You can see here in my hand some of the seeds have already left their pod. After you've collected a bunch, I typically place them on a white sheet of paper so I can view my bounty. Grab your seed pods and pour out the seeds. To make sure you get them all, crush the pods between your forefinger and thumb. You will be amazed at the number of seeds that come out. When you've gone through all the pods, pick out the pods and chaff and make a fold in the center of the paper to funnel your seeds into a packet. We use our pre-printed seed packets to identify the seeds and collection date and any other data we want to track, variety, where the seeds come from, etc. Good luck and happy collecting.